Hello everybody, today we're going to be making cotton dough, which is a very nice base for any sort of pastry you want to make because it's very soft, it's very easy to work with, and it just feels like cotton in your mouth. Very nice. So first you're going to add 5 cups of flour to your bowl, preferably the one you're going to be mixing in. You're going to add sugar or erythritol or monk fruit sugar. You're also going to add yeast, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and you're going to mix that all around, and you're going to add 1 cup of yogurt. Put that into your mixer, a little bit of water, 1 cup exactly, make sure it's a little bit warm, and also a 1/4 cup of olive oil so that it catches all of the stray dough left on the sides of the bowl. Make sure it's consistent, and then put it inside of your oven or convection drawer at 100 degrees Fahrenheit with saran wrap for about an hour to proof. Punch it in the middle and start splitting into 4 separate bowls, or how many balls you want to end up having of dough. In this case, my mom used this cotton dough to make sabanich or spinach triangle bread pastries, so she cut it into small pieces, but if you want, you can enjoy the spread on its own. Maybe you can make the pieces larger, whatever you're feeling like. But yeah, that's it. We hope you enjoy. And if you want, you can tag us in any of your creations with this type of dough. Happy cotton doughing! Bye!